Hi, it's Garrett and Janet here, and we are going to the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary today. We're of course in Brisbane, Australia, and we're already on a boat waiting to leave. So it's like a 45-minute boat ride down to the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, and then like 3 hours at the sanctuary. There is an upstairs. We got here too late. We thought a half an hour early would be early enough. If you want to sit upstairs for the boat ride, I'd get here an hour early. Maybe more. But it looks like it's almost time to leave. Well, we're underway now. Crossed under 3 or 4 bridges already. This might be the last one.
Roadway, one of the on the right-hand side, Coronation Drive. That's the main thoroughfare. That's where we're headed today. time to talk about our First Nations people. The Aboriginal people that have inhabited the Brisbane River shores for 40,000 years were the Turrbal people. And the Brisbane River was an essential source of their livelihood. The Turrbal people were friendly.
The captain's not doing the narration, it's recorded, just so you know.
They used the river as a great source of food, including many varieties of fish, shellfish, crabs, and prawns. It was also an important location for spiritual and recreational